To access your administration portal, go to success.iland.com/home and click Login at the top right. Enter your credentials, and you will be redirected to your user homepage. Upon first login, as the primary contact on the account, you will be prompted to complete a setup wizard for your company. You will either be starting from scratch, or you will only have a few sections to complete. If prompted, fill in your company address, verify, and save. It should say All Set once complete, and you can click Next to move to the next step. With the billing address, you can either fill in the details, or if it matches your company address, you can just click the Use Company Address button and then Next to move forward to the next step. Enter your tax ID and save. From here, you will be prompted to input a billing contact for your company. You can either choose from a user already assigned as a contact or create a new one. This is the person that will be responsible for receiving invoices. You will then be directed to do the same for a technical contact. You can assign the contact and then click Finish to exit the wizard. From there, you will see your company details on your main page and then can click into the contacts on the left-hand side if you need to edit permissions. There is a navigation video as well as additional how-to videos for your review if needed to familiarize yourself with your administration portal. We are excited that you have decided to partner with iland.